why should the audience or anybody who owns a Mercedes come to DT Dobie to be serviced for their Mercedes-Benz?
Awesome. One, because DT Dobie has been the home of Mercedes-Benz for the last 70 years, so we have a heritage that we can be able to look into.
Yes.
Number two, Mercedes is the best or nothing. You do not want to service your Mercedes out there where you don't know what they are doing. Right, once you book in for service with us in Mercedes, what happens is that we are able to then log you in and wait for you. So when you come in, we give you the time, we give you the attention that you deserve, because a Mercedes owner is a value customer to us. It doesn't matter whether you bought the Mercedes locally or you imported it directly. When you come in, we are able then to look into you, we listen to your concerns. We are able to then understand what you would like us to do. A, it can be a service. B, it can be a repair that you require. So what happens is that we log in the details of your car, more so the chassis number, into the system. That system is Daimler Portal. We are able then to get the service maintenance using a digital service booklet that is specific to your chassis number. We are able then to get a nice chart indicating for your car, your model, what are the operations at the mileage you're at. So it is very mileage oriented. Then once we get that chart, we are able to advise you how long it will take and how much it will cost you.
Okay. Now, just diving deep into the Daimler Portal. Now, you find many Kenyans importing this Mercedes-Benz from all over the world, and they're coming into this country. Does the system now, based on the chassis number, allow you to have the software update so that the vehicle can take in a kind of fuel and all those parameters?
Awesome. One, when you buy our showroom cars, you can be double sure that we've done a lot of research to bring an engine that can be able to take our quality of fuel. So first of all, that you have peace of mind. However, even the people who have imported cars from wherever, quite often, once in a while, they'll find challenges, but we're able to sort them out. Once the car comes in, we'll then log you into the Daimler Portal. That portal is able to flag and tell us for that particular car, that is its number for that model, there is a software update that should be done for the comfort of the customer, for the convenience of the customer as well, and more so to be able to get the car to adapt for the functionality of the country it's in. This comes as a result of research that the manufacturers do based on the feedback they get from cars that have been operating in extreme conditions that could not be simulated in the factory. So we are able to cover you and we have your back.
Now, jumping into service. That's a very critical area for any Mercedes owner. Now, what are the protocols when you want to bring in your car? How long does it take to do service? Do you have different options for express service?
Thank you very much. Yeah, we do. Once you decide that your car now needs attention, one, you can call us and we book you, and our service advisors can be able to advise you. If it's just a main service or just a service, a lube service, we have a department we call Express Service. They open at 7:30 and go on till evening. Good news is that they even open on Saturdays from 8 o'clock in the morning till 1 o'clock.
Wow.
At Express, you will get your car to be serviced as you wait for it, you drink your cup of coffee, and you can even be able to have a look at what the technician is doing. And you get advice, you get to talk to them, and you can be able to see what is happening. At Express, you don't need to book. Just walk in, depending with how many people are in front of you, just join the queue. However, if you have a bit of more concerns than just a lube service or just a service, then you have to make a booking with us, then we book you in the workshop. Advantages in the workshop is that we dig deep into your car, we give you quite a lot of advice, and we do a bit of deeper repairs. So that depends with the state of your car. We do have trained technicians who have got very good qualifications, they have experience, and we can be able to discuss with you the way forward.
Now, speaking of that, if all hell breaks loose and you're involved in some sort of accident, and you know Mercedes-Benz are built to perfection, do you have facilities that are able to repair the Mercedes-Benz back to that pristine state that Mercedes-Benz are known for?
Absolutely. We have a state-of-the-art body shop. This body shop or accident repair shop, we are able to repair your car and return it back to the original pre-accident state. We use genuine spare parts, we use qualified technicians, we use very good quality paint, we have state-of-the-art equipment, low-bake oven, orbital sanders, stuff that makes sure the job is not only lighter for the technician, but the finished product is awesome. The feedback from the people who've had their cars repaired there has been very gratifying.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Now, speaking of that, spare parts.
Yeah.
And we know Kenya is an open country, liberal market. You can either decide to buy parts from DTW or outside there. But
Right.
what is important that if you're buying a Mercedes-Benz and you need to have your car that has good parts, why is it imperative for you to come to DTW and get genuine parts from DTW?
Genuine parts are very, very, very important for a car, because Mercedes-Benz is just not any car. It's a high-performance car. It's a car where safety is a very critical aspect of the production. The moment you buy our car, a Mercedes-Benz, when you fit genuine spare parts, you have peace of mind, you have warranty for those parts that have been fitted, meaning that the manufacturer guarantees you that should that part fail before its time, then we have your back. We can be able to replace that part. Then it's important you get it replaced by the person who knows what he's doing. This vehicle, to be honest, Trevor, it's like a computer on wheels.
Yes.
So you need machines that are good for diagnosis. You need somebody who understands those logins. What do they mean? Because every other person may have a diagnosis machine. Do they understand what those protocols and logins on that machine mean? One, we do have inside our workshop direct contact with the factory, so that if we are doing a repair and we even are stuck, we are live with the factory using a system we call TIPS, where we can be able to log and say, look, I have this car, these are the challenges, these are the parameters. What do you recommend as a factory? We are live with the factory using that system. Number two, our technicians are fully trained, quite a lot of them in Germany, that they can be able to look at a car and understand what it's all about. And so it's not just having a machine, it's understanding what the language and the protocols on that machine mean in terms of you as a client and in terms of the requirements on the car. So that is very, very important to us.
Okay, guys, remember, if you have a Mercedes-Benz, be it locally bought at DTW or Grey Import, please visit. They'll be able to assess your vehicle and ensure that it is in good state of health. But we need to move to commercial vehicles because that's a key driver of our economy.
Right.
And we know Mercedes-Benz have been in the market for many years.
Right.
And DTW is actually at the forefront
All right.
with the Actros and the buses. Tell us about the service intervals for the Actros that is actually has 50% market share, and the buses that are now running around being assembled by DTW.
Awesome. The trucks that we have here, we sell to the customers. They have proved to be the king of the road. They are very good, very durable, very reliable, very good value for money, and very reasonable running costs. At the end of the day, customers have come to understand that when you are driving a truck and you get the vehicle serviced using genuine parts, you get the vehicle serviced by technicians, you'll never have a situation where you're carrying payload and you're stuck along the highway, because reliability can determine the value of your business.
Yes.
And Actros vehicles are very reliable. So these vehicles have been very, very liked by the customers who bought them. And at the end of the day, they have not only good power and torque output, they are able to do their job very well.
Wow.
Depending with the usage of the vehicle, the service intervals can be determined by a number of factors. One, the terrain that you operate in. There are people who operate at the quarries, there are people who operate inter-county, there are people who just operate within the town. So there are various factors that determine the mileage for operation. Number two, the quality of the oil that is recommended for that truck, because we are now going into semi-synthetic oils and stuff like that. All I know is that at the end of the day, we are going to the level where we are lengthening the mileage intervals for service, which is good value for the customer. Talk of buses. We found that there's need to provide a total full solution to customers' businesses, and so we introduced buses. These buses have done very well on the road. They are doing very well, and at the end of the day, our bus is the difference between them and most of the other buses is that the chassis of that bus is a bus chassis. It is not a truck chassis that has been converted and only the head and now you can put, This is deliberately made from the factory to be a bus chassis. The passenger comfort, the safety, the security, and the resale value is awesome. We are very, very confident about that product and it's doing very well in the market.
Wow, guys, now you've been told from the horse's mouth that Mercedes-Benz are doing much more. Apart from just taking care of your car, they also build vehicles for this region, and it's imperative for you to visit DTW along Lusaka Road, even Uhuru Highway, and other places in Nakuru, Mombasa. There are branches. Please visit and have a look at them, so that if you want your Mercedes to maintain that longevity that we so desire, DTW will be able to take care of that quite easily. Thank you so much for joining us on Cars with Big Boy Trev.
Thank you.
One last parting shot for any Mercedes owner looking into having a long life with Mercedes. What do they need to do?
Mercedes, think DT Derby. DT Derby with you all the way. With Mercedes, the best or nothing. Thank you.